Multimedia is dominating the digital world, and if you're thinking of learning it, that is a smart career decision. Imagine creating viral videos, animated art, and interactive design, working with clients from around the world right from your home. That is the life of a multimedia specialist, and it is totally within your reach. Now, what is multimedia? Multimedia is simply the fusion of different digital formats, from videos to audios, graphics, animations, and more. It is the skill behind content creation, filmmaking, online education, and more. As a multimedia specialist, you can work as a video editor, an animator, a sound and audio producer, a motion graphic artist, a content creator, and more. You can freelance, work remotely, join a media company, or start your own creative agency. The career opportunities are endless. Now, here is what you need to learn to become a pro. Design and composition principles, starting with the basics of storytelling and layout. Graphic design tools such as Photoshop and Illustrator. Video editing tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Animation and motion graphics using After Effects and Blender. Interactive media and visual effects. Audio editing using Audacity and Adobe Audition. Real-world project and portfolio creation. You don't just learn, you have to do it. At BizMarrow Technologies, you don't just learn, you build, create, and become job ready. Here is what we offer you: practical hands-on training, no crowded classroom. A trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. Real-world project that boosts your confidence and portfolio. Flexible payment plan to make quality tech education affordable for you. Our trainings are available both online and physical, meaning you can join from anywhere around the world. We make you job ready. Our training covers industry standards. At BizMarrow Technologies, we don't just train you, we set you up for a successful career. Don't wait. The multimedia industry is booming and opportunities will not wait. Register now with BizMarrow Technologies Multimedia Training course and start your journey in a booming career. Click the link below to learn more and register, or visit any of our physical offices in Abuja. See you in class. Bye.